Indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. It can be filled with chemicals, dust, mold, pet dander, and much more. However, having plants inside your home can help clean the air and provide oxygen. Here are the top 5 healthiest plants to have indoors. Number 5, Aloe vera. This common plant filters both formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Its gel is also great for treating burns. Aloe vera requires minimal watering. Water only once every couple of weeks, allowing the soil to fully dry out between waterings. It grows best in a cactus or succulent soil mix, with good drainage. Aloe prefers dry air and bright, indirect sunlight. Number 4. Pothos. This plant also filters multiple toxins from the air, such as formaldehyde and xylene. It's also very easy to grow, growing in any well-draining potting mix, only needs to be watered every 1 to 2 weeks, and does best in indirect sunlight. While it will grow faster in high humidity, it should do just fine in regular indoor air. Number 3. The spider plant. This plant does an excellent job at removing most previous toxins mentioned, as well as carbon monoxide. It grows well in bright, indirect sunlight, and requires watering once a week. Use a well-draining potting mix, and mist the plant every once in a while. The spider plant can also produce baby plants called pups, which can be easily propagated. Number 2. Peace lily. It can remove multiple toxins including ammonia and trichloroethylene. On top of that, it can reduce dry air by increasing the indoor humidity. It needs watering about once a week, but make sure to avoid overwatering. It should be grown in a nutrient-rich, well-draining potting mix, in low to medium sunlight, to avoid damaging leaves. When indoors is dry, mist the leaves, or place near a humidifier. And the number 1, most healthiest plant to have in your home is the snake plant. It's one of the most efficient at removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and carbon dioxide. It also produces oxygen at night, making it great for bedrooms. Additionally, it's one of the hardest plants to kill, making it perfect for beginners. It does just fine in dry air, and can be grown in a well-draining soil, such as a cacti or succulent mix. It only needs watering once every 2 to 3 weeks, and thrives in low to bright, indirect sunlight. These 5 plants aren't just great for purifying the air, but can also help with your overall well-being, and making your home look nicer.